Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. First, I want to thank you, God, because I was given to the opportunity to complete my internship report. I would like to present my internship report entitled Internship Report at the Population Registration Service Division, the Department of Tribe Population and Civil Registration, North Jakarta City. Discussion concept. 1. Preliminary. 2. Internship overview. 3. Internship implementation. Dan 4. Closing. Background. Along with the rapid development of technology in this modern era, it's the undeniable that it makes it easier to every individual to find information about whatever is needed. Various companies are trying to improve the quality of employees in order to increase the company performance. State university are educational institutions that are accepted to be able to produce high-quality human resource. Of them, State University of Jakarta is also trying to produce the best graduates who can compete in the world of work later through of the progress of providing trial to work practice. Internship goals. The purpose of street vendors is to learn and feel real work experience regarding the process of activities in service at the Office of the Population and Civil Registration Office of the North Jakarta City Administration and get to opportunity for practitioners and to apply theories or concepts that have been obtained during college. Next, benefit of internship. Yang 1, the student. Practitioners gain experience knowledge and implementation knowledge learning in college on how to have good ethics, and also practitioners gain experience and knowledge about procedures in community service agencies. 2. Faculty. Establish good cooperation with the Department of Population and Civil Registration of North Jakarta City Administration and get feedback to improve the curriculum to suit the needs of the agency environment to the state. The Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta can produce graduates who are competent in the world of work. 3. Agency. The mutually beneficial cooperate for both participation and also help ease to the agency operational activity in complementing their studies. Internship time schedule. A. Preparation. Doing place observation, managing cover letters, submit cover letters. B. Implementation. File for presentation start on October 1, 2021 until November 30, 2021 with 5 working days, Monday sampai Friday. 3. C. Internship report writing. Report writing begin of December 3 until the completion of the guidance. Company profile. Company name, Office of the Department of Population and Civil Registration, North Jakarta Administration. Address, Jalan Berdikari, number 2, RT6, RW 30, Rawabadak Utara, Daerah Khusus Ibu Kota Jakarta. Call Center, Facebook Dukcapil Jakut, Instagram @Dukcapil Jakut. Placement Resident Registration. Company history. History of Department of Population and Civil Registration prior to 177, it was named the DKI Jakarta Population Affairs Office, which was established with the DKI Jakarta Governance Decree number D13109 strip A8 strip 1974 concerning the organizational structure of the DKI Jakarta Government Population Affairs Office in 1977 in accordance with the discretion of the government of DKI Jakarta number 175 of 177 concerning of the change of the name or designation of the Office of Population Affairs to become the Population Registration Service of DKI Jakarta. Since 1988, it has been named of the DKI Jakarta Population Registration. The accordance with Regional Regulation number 6 of the 19790 concerning the establishment of the organizational structure and working procedures of the Jakarta Population Service of the Special Capital Region. BKT Avocado is a form of direct access for DKI Jakarta residents to apply for population and administration service. Betawi Avocado itself in an abbreviation of quick and accurate access to residential document service. Head of the North Jakarta Population and Civil Registration Sub-Department Dukcapil, Edward Idris, said optimizing the digitization of Admin service through the Betawi Avocado application was an effort to prevent the spread of coronavirus disease 2019. Main text, vision, and mission. Main text. The main text of the Population and Civil Registration Sub-Department is to carry out registration of Indonesian citizens and foreigners. The vision, the realization of fast, precise, simple, and satisfactory community service and the creation of an orderly population administration and civil registration that is accurate is supporting the text of government and development. Mission, carry out guidance to the development partnership and their participant in carrying out registration and reporting of population mobility. Next, structure. Ini detik keberapa ini nggak tahu ya. Struktur. Tuh kayak gue nggak lebih bagus. Iya, kayak gini terus yang angka-angka terus ini gimana? Mau gue ganti kan? Ini aja ya kan, mungkin dari sini gue bacanya. Struktur perusahaan, company. Terus ini apaan lagi? Job desk. Problem. Ya. Next, company structure. Kepala Suku Dinas Mr. Edward Idris, Kepala Subbagian Tata Usaha Nina Narulita Zainal, Kepala Seksi Pendaftaran Penduduk Yudi Hermawan, Kepala Seksi Pencatatan Sipil Erlita Pasko, Kepala Seksi Data Informasi dan Pengawasan Rizky Parlin. Job desk. Entering NIK and KK data. Inputting NIK and KK number of data is an activity to active NIK and KK numbers at the sub-department office, which is caused by someone people have problems regarding unregistered or inactive NIC numbers in several agencies such as BPJS, Bank, NPWP, and CAP. B. Serving residents' complaints. Practitioners receive complaints from residents, namely when the practitioner updates NIC and KK numbers 3 are several residents who choose to come immediately due to an urgent situation. While the activation process for the NIC and KK number has a short a time as 1 to 24 hours and a maximum of 5 to 24 hours. C. Make a letter stamped by sub-department. The practitioners make a letter of sub-department evidence regarding the activation of NIC and KK numbers, where this letter is brought by residents to the agency concerned as the authentic evidence that the residents have requested activation of the NIC and KK numbers. Next, KTP Mobile. Free mobile service are used by agency to reduce mobility during the COVID-19 pandemic. This mobile KTP visited several schools in North Jakarta. This mobile ID card helped make it easier to make ID cards for school children who are 70 years old and don't have an identity card. E-marketing the Betawi Avocado application. Alpukat Betawi is a form of direct access from DKI Jakarta residents to apply our population administration service. The Betawi Avocado application met my North Jakarta population and civil registration sub-department is known to my residents or the surrounding community who do not know about the application and how to use it. Next, problem faced during internship. The obstacles experienced by practitioners during the internship are as follows. Motivation and enthusiasm in carrying out street vendors have decreased so that there is feeling of fatigue and boredom at work. This is because it is the first time the practitioner works. The practitioner feels awkward with the staff of the Dukcapil sub-department. Adaptation with CO workers take a time alone. Participants cannot be too quick to adaptation to office employees. Next, solution. Number one, participants to motivate themselves to be more enthusiastic about carrying out street vendors by watching movie, listening to music through the YouTube or Spotify platform. Number two, the practitioner tries to approach to the staff by interacting about the history of the sub-department, how their daily work is done. Practitioner also do not hesitate to interact with other division employees who are experienced in their respective files. Next, consolation. The implementation of the PKL will start on October 1, 2021 until November 30, 2021 at the Population Civil Registration Office of the Jakarta City Administration in the file of Population Registration Service. Practitioners gain insight experience, knowledge about the real work of words so that when they graduate, they can adaptation. During the implementation of the PKL, practitioners are taught about the responsibilities of the action and text. Next, suggestion. Student conduct a survey directly of the place internship to find information about vacancy for internship opportunity. Make sure the file or division you place in accordance with the educational background you are studying. Faculty, it is better if the university cooperate with several company or agency to facilitate the distribution of the provision of street vendors for students. Then the N3 company for the North Jakarta City Administration of Population and Civil Registration Sub-Department to continue to open up opportunity for street vendors, improve the network system so what very work done can run smoothly. Next. Thank you for presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.